Our flagship Harley-Davidson Audio 50S Bluetooth headset is designed to simplify wireless communication and deliver outstanding audio performance. Let's take a look at some of the features of this premium headset. Whether you're listening to music or talking with your riding buddies, crystal clear sound quality is a key feature of a great motorcycle headset, which is why we've equipped this 50S Bluetooth headset with Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage 1 headset speakers that deliver the ultimate in motorcycle audio performance, with rich bass and clarity at any volume. The 50S headset comes with 2 modules and offers an exceptional integrated experience when paired to your bike's 6.5 boombox or boombox GTS infotainment system via the plug-and-play wireless headset interface module, which we call WIM, and is sold separately. After installing the WIM on your bike, you can establish a wireless connection with the 50S headset and enjoy full stereo audio. You can use the bike's infotainment touchscreen to configure select headset features and use the existing hand controls to move effortlessly through music, phone, GPS, and push-to-talk intercom conversations. The 50S headset is also compatible with Apple's Siri or Android's Google Assistant through a boombox GTS radio. With voice-activated digital assistant access, just say, "Hey Google," or "Hey Siri" to activate either assistant. Without installing the WIM, you can control your 50S headset through available hands-free voice commands or the glove-friendly jog dial menu navigation. And if you prefer earbuds to the speakers, there is an available earbud port in the base. The headset has an integrated FM radio receiver with up to 10 station presets. The available intercom features add fun and convenience on group rides. This headset is equipped with universal intercom, so it has the ability to connect with any headset via Bluetooth regardless of manufacturer to enable communication with up to 4 other riders, with a working distance of up to 1.2 miles under optimal conditions. The Mesh Intercom network gives this headset the ability to communicate with other riders without pairing. Up to 24 riders in private mode and a virtually limitless number in public mode within 1.2 miles or 2 kilometers. The headsets can extend up to 5 miles between a minimum of 6 riders. To save you downtime, we've improved the charging rate by 30% compared to previous generation headsets. The 50S headset can be fully charged in only an hour and can provide up to 9 hours of Mesh Intercom talk time or 14 hours of Bluetooth intercom talk time on a full charge. Automatic firmware updates are delivered via the included Wi-Fi adapter. The 50S is sold as a single headset or as a pair and fits most Harley-Davidson full and 3/4 helmets designed to accept Bluetooth headset speakers. Each kit includes headset, mics, and all necessary installation hardware. This premium headset was designed to enhance your touring experience.